Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can plug the power source cable to your Bang Olufsen Beolit 15 speaker. So to do this we have to find this plastic cover. It's actually located right here, and if you wonder how to open it, that's very simple. You just have to press on it and then release. After that it will jump out a little bit, so you can actually leave that plastic cover, and here you can find input for that power source cable. So just grab it like that. It doesn't matter which side you put it, so let's make it like that. And right now it's inside. To close this cover, just put it like that. Move this cable a little bit. Yeah, just like that, and then press on it. And that's easy way to do this. So yeah, that's all for this video. Hope you like it.